Hey guys, I'm going to share with you what I got in my fall FabFitFun box. I got it yesterday and I'm really excited to share what I got, so let's dive into it. This is how the box looks like. I'm just covering my address right now. And I got an email and it said basically that they're replacing the standard bleach white box with 100% recycled craft box, and that they replace the inside tissue paper, air pillows, and more with 100% recycled craft paper, which is really cool. I'm not gonna lie, I already opened it. So this is how it looks like when you receive your box, just like this. You get like a little guide, tells you what's inside your box, the price points, things like that. Okay, so let's dive in right now. P.S. I'm Canadian. I don't understand why I get these things because it's only for US. So for instance, this says offer only valid for US residents. Can't use that. You get one of these things. They get $15 off their next box. I have a code. I'll link it down below. And also, I can't use this because I've used it in the past. It's for HelloFresh. If anyone wants to use it, the code's right there. Go right ahead. You're welcome. Some of these things I'm not going to use, and I'm going to sell them on my Poshmark. So if you want to buy anything, the link is down below. Click that. I'll sell it to you for a great price. This is the first thing that I'm taking out of my box, and I am going to be selling this. It's the Beauty Crop Glow Milk, and it's an illuminating milk for face and body. I'm not going to open this for you. I'm just going to sell this, so check my Poshmark if you want to buy it. I have way too many illuminators, so I'd rather just pass it on while it's still new. This is something that I did pick out, one of the customization options. It's by Dr. Dennis Gross. It's the Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. This is how it looks like. Got really good reviews and it's pretty expensive too, so I'm suffering from mask acne right now, so hopefully this will do some wonders for my skin. This is how the bottle looks like. Sorry, my nails are not done. It's just a standard 30 ml 1 fluid ounce, so can't wait to dive into that. This is not an item that I selected, but it's the Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. It's by NatureLab, and they use bamboo stem cell technology, which is really cool. My hair is so dry, especially from like the heat and the AC going back and forth, so I've been really lazy with my mask, so hopefully this will help out my hair. Smells pretty good. But there is fragrance in it. But this, I think it sold at Ulta, and it also received really great reviews, so can't wait to use that. Okay, here's another hair product. I'm just going to read it off here because I can't read this font, so I'm just going to read it right from the pamphlet. It's the Liquid RX Stress Reliever 100% Natural Hair Oil. Again, my hair is so dry. I'm almost done with my Sephora hair oil. And it says it's made in the States, 100% natural, no sulfates, no parabens, no chemicals. It's 1 fluid ounce and it's pretty expensive, but hopefully it works out, and it comes with a little dropper, which is always a good time. Okay, this is really cool. This is Petty in a Box Deluxe 4-Step. It's in the pumpkin spice scent. Really cute and fall appropriate packaging. There's 2 complete 4-step pedicure kits, so it comes with a sea salt soak, a sugar scrub, a mud mask, a massage butter, and it's good for 2 uses to do the entire routine, and it's just broken up. So 1 use, use all these steps, 2nd use, use all these steps, and looks like this. I'll probably keep this for myself because my feet, TMI, get really dry in the fall, so that'll be good to have. Okay, 100% I'm selling this. So this is the Mason Jar Hydration Kit by Masontops. Nothing against this, I just have way too many containers to drink out of. And this one's glass, so I'll probably break it. It looks just like this. The top of the lid just pops off. It's glass, and there's a little sleeve. And there's some care instructions right along here. And this is removable. It has to be if you're washing it. But yeah, selling this. It's in a really cute minty teal color. If you want to buy this, it's on my Poshmark. This I did select. I normally don't wear silver jewelry, but I think it's really cute, good quality, and it's a great layering piece. So it's by Jenny Berrz. She is Canadian. And it's just like this. Really cute pendant. And I really love the chain. Looks just like this. There's some care details on the back, and there's a code on the back. Again, if you want to use the code, it's right there. Go ahead. Yeah, this is a piece that I will keep. It's just so cute. I love jewelry, so I will be keeping this for myself. This is a cute little backpack. This is another item that I did choose out for myself. I can't pronounce it. Botkier, maybe? That's the name of the brand, and this is how the backpack is. Really cute. I'm a huge fan of backpacks. I actually got rid of 2 of mine because I destroyed them. And over here, the straps are really cute. It says the name of the brand right here. I think you can see that. Straps are adjustable, which is always a good time. It's not super big inside, but I think it'll be enough. And there's another zipper on the inside. And there's also a snap closure and 2 little pockets here. Can't put much in them, but better than nothing. Alright, I'm going to show you how it looks. The straps are really easy to adjust. You can see the detail a lot better right over here. And this is how it looks like from the back. It's not the biggest backpack, but will do the job. And I'm undecided if I'll be keeping this or not. So you guys know I'm still new to FabFitFun. I got this starter box, the summer editor box, which I really didn't care for. I got like 2 lotions and products that I didn't really care for. I sold a lot of the stuff. I would say I sold maybe half or more of the box. This one I really did like. There's only a few things that I'll be selling, but so far this is my favorite box. If you guys get FabFitFun, let me know what you received in your fall box in the comments down below. I'd love to hear. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.